Another break in a WPTV investigation into the firing of the Riviera Beach City Manager.
1 month ago, the City Council suddenly fired Jonathan Evans without explanation. Ever since that night, News Channel 5's Wanda Moore has worked to get answers. She is live from J Ministry with what she's learned today.
People are angry and frustrated that after 4 weeks, they still don't know why the city manager was fired. So tonight they're gathering to get petitions out and get signatures to recall those 3 city council members who voted to fire the city manager. Now, I also learned that city leaders are frustrated as well. We obtained exclusive emails that show that the frustration and confusion stretches throughout City Hall. On September 20th, Councilmember Terrence Davis made the motion to fire City Manager Jonathan Evans for cause. But to this day, Davis has never talked about any specific misfeasance, saying the city attorney advised him not to talk. City Attorney Andrew DeGraffenreid was at that council meeting in which council fired Evans, but in a memo exclusively obtained by WPTV, he seems to have forgotten what Davis said. He sent this memo to the HR director and the interim city manager. In it, he says, quote, "My review of the action taken by the city council upon last evening indicated that the manager was terminated without cause." According to Evans' contract, if he was fired for cause, he would get a payout of sick and vacation time, which would be just over $14,000. If he was fired without cause, he would also get a severance for 20 work weeks in addition, totaling $83,000. City officials emailed back and forth over what to pay Evans, since Davis said multiple times he wanted him to be fired for cause, and Councilwoman Lynn Hubbard seconded. The city attorney was trying several times to convince city officials it was without cause. City officials responded with a transcript of the council meeting. Davis clarified his motion several times, saying it was for cause, for misfeasance. On October 11th, HR Director Bruce Davis advised staff to, quote, "Please prepare to pay Mr. Evans his final paycheck based on the termination without cause provisions in his employment agreement today if possible." So just to summarize, Davis fired the city manager for cause, never provided any reasons for it, and now the city is pretending and trying to pay him out as if he was fired without cause. And that's bringing us back 4 weeks ago and the sinking suspicion that those 3 city council members never had a reason to fire the city manager to begin with. Tonight, they might be paying the price as people here are getting ready to recall them. We're live in Riviera Beach. One more WPTV News Channel 5.